And right now at 5, we are tracking the newest developments in the case of a Metro police officer charged in a deadly drunk driving crash. Good evening, everyone. I'm Todd Connor.
I'm Erica Fly. It's official. This afternoon, a judge ruled David Bisard cannot receive a fair trial in Marion County and that it will be moved to another part of the state. Our TV6 reporter Jack Reinhart joins us now with where and why the case is moving. Jack?
Well, Erica, all we can tell you at this point is that 3 counties have been selected as potential sites for the Bisard case. They're either in the far northern reaches of the state or the far southern part of Indiana. When Judge Grant Hawkins stepped off the elevator after lunch this afternoon, he did so under the ever-watchful gaze of Indianapolis television, radio, and newspapers. Minutes later, he would say in open court that he didn't think the media scrutiny that has followed this case for more than 2 years would ever let up, thus galvanizing his decision to move the case out of Marion County.
You know, if Judge Hawkins and the defense team for David Bisard feel like he'll get a fairer trial, then I'm all for it, regardless of where it's at. I believe Marion County has got enough residents in it to select, but if they feel that there'll be a fairer situation, then bring on the county, wherever it's at.
Officer David Bisard is charged with driving drunk on August 6, 2010, before crashing his police cruiser into a group of motorcycles while on his way to help serve a felony arrest warrant. His blood alcohol would later test .19, a result that remains in legal dispute to this very day. 70 witnesses later gave statements to investigators that they never saw Bisard show any signs of drinking or impairment. The Marion County Prosecutor's Office also acknowledged that Bisard's chances of getting a fair trial in Indianapolis appeared doubtful.
I don't have really legally the ability to fight it at this juncture. The media has simply been too overwhelming, and if you look at the comments from the public, it would just be too difficult. For me as a prosecutor, I have to also consider the rights of the defendant. I'm not allowed to just consider my interests.
Now, the next red letter day for the Bisard case is February 14th. By that time, the prosecution and the defense will have agreed on a possible trial location in one of 3 undisclosed counties. Erica.
So does this mean we're any closer to a trial date?
It's possible. The prosecutor's office believes that the trial could go as early as late summer or early fall and could last up to 4 weeks. Erica.
All right. Thank you, Jack.